Understanding car decorations. A guide to vehicle aesthetics. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of car decorations. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious, this video will explore what car decorations are, their types, and how they're used. So, let's get started and learn about this fascinating aspect of vehicle aesthetics. Car decorations are items or modifications added to a vehicle to enhance its appearance and personalize it according to the owner's tastes. They range from simple, easily removable items to more permanent customizations. Understanding these can add a fun and personal touch to your vehicle. There are various types of car decorations, each serving a different purpose. 1. Interior decorations. These include seat covers, steering wheel covers, and dashboard ornaments. They are primarily for the comfort and aesthetic appeal inside the car. 2. Exterior decorations. This category includes items like bumper stickers, decals, custom paint jobs, and fancy wheel covers. They are visible to others and make your car stand out. 3. Seasonal decorations. Special decorations for holidays or seasons, like Christmas lights or Halloween decals, fall under this category. Car decorations are not just about aesthetics. They also reflect the personality and preferences of the car owner. They can be a form of self-expression or a way to make your vehicle more comfortable and enjoyable. When selecting car decorations, consider personal taste. Choose decorations that reflect your style and personality. Safety. Ensure that the decorations do not obstruct your view or interfere with driving. Car model and color. Some decorations suit certain car models and colors better than others. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of car decorations and inspired you to personalize your vehicle in a way that reflects your unique style. Remember, the right decorations can turn your car from a mere vehicle into a personal statement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.